Okay, this is our last homework explanation. So for homework number 5, you're going to be writing a paper that is focused on thinking about how play and learning go together. So if you remember in the syllabus explanation video many weeks ago, I said that really my main goal was that you understand that development and play go together, and that play isn't just something that children do for fun, but it's vitally important to help them learn and grow and become the people that they need to be. So you're going to um, find an activity. So I know for a previous homework assignment, you created your own indoor activity and you created your own outdoor activity. But for this homework assignment, you're just going to go online. You can go to Pinterest, you can Google, there's a million things online of, if you just put in play-based activity for preschooler, you'll find lots of different activities. So find an activity that already exists online that somebody else has created and analyze it. So what I want you to be thinking about is the activity that you found actually a child-directed play-based activity? Does it help children with their learning and development? So be critical of the activity that you find. Maybe you think it's a great activity and it really meets the conditions of being play-based and helping children developmentally. Maybe you don't think it's such a good activity. So when you are writing your paper, you're going to write a 1 to 2 page paper again. Please make sure that you describe the activity and put a picture in so that I can see what activity it is that you found. You're welcome to put the link in of where you found the activity and give me a little description. Um, Then you're going to talk about how this activity helps children in their learning and development. So talk about how it helps children to grow in the academic disciplines. So reading, writing, numeracy, the arts, physical education, and also how it helps with their developmental domains. So social, emotional, cognitive, language, etc. You're going to also specifically talk about what developmental domains and what um, academic disciplines that activity focuses on. So maybe you think it's good for their motor development, but it doesn't specifically focus on that. It seems like it's an activity that focuses on their language skills and they just happen to be doing something motor as well. And then also talk about if there would be any barriers to implementing this activity. So at the beginning, I asked you to do a paper where you were just hypothesizing about barriers. But now that you're doing this homework assignment, we've specifically talked about barriers that could be involved in implementing play-based programs and play-based activities with young children. So what of those barriers, which ones of those barriers do you think might apply to this particular activity? Maybe it's super messy and you know that parents would give you a hard time about it. So whatever it is that you think might be a barrier, and also why you think this activity is a good one and why it might help children developmentally. Those are going to be the kinds of things that you're writing about in this particular homework assignment.